Hey guys, with this implant analog model, we've got a small issue and you'll see exactly what I mean. So here we can see what the issue is. We've got these analog sleeves which hold the analog, and they are mostly 0.7 or 8 millimeters wide, and they intersect each other. Now this is a problem and I'm going to show you how to deal with it. So first of all, update your modules to receive the script because some of it needed to be changed. After you've done the ICP alignment, please get into the habit to lock these assemblies. Simply select them and click on lock. This will unparent the assembly and it will then lock them into position so that you cannot move them. These are the locks, and it means that if I use a G key or accidentally move my mouse or whatever, that these are locked. Next, select your model and click on Select Model Being Cut, and this puts us into transparent mode. Now we want to edit this analog sleeve. So click on one and then head to the menu and click on Select and edit your analog sleeve. Then you can use these arrows, up it goes and down it goes. Make sure it extrudes all the way through your model. Then click on Apply, Cut and Clean a Model. Now in this Blender Update version we can see which boolean was used. Blender's got the exact and it's got the fast. The script will detect which one has been used. If the mesh geometry was good, it will use the fast boolean. If it's not, then it will use the other one, the exact boolean. So let's do the next one. This one took a while to process, and for good reason it used the exact boolean. So I'm going to fast forward this. Looks like we've had two fast and two exact. So there's still an issue, and I'm going to show you what the issue is. This is easily missed. Actually, I missed it on my first go. The analog sleeve housing, which holds the analog, has unified and it's blocking the whole of this one. Easily missed, and you don't want to print it and then only to find out that your analog doesn't fit. In this view it is more apparent. So how are we going to deal with this? I'm going to show you. Okay, we're going to go into the model designer and we're going to do a standard cut. Go to the insert cutting tool. I'm going to go back to transparent mode. Select your model. This is the object being cut, and this is going to be the object that is your insert. That's going to be the cutting tool. If I zoom in, you'll be able to see that small offset. So if the analogs are too tight or too loose, please put in your own offset over here. Then apply your offset. Now this is your cutter. We're going to voxel remesh it a little bit finer, so I'm going to put 0.05, and then we're going to remesh this cutter and then finally cut the hole. When I look at it carefully now, it has actually deleted that blockage. Okay, hide it. And now the inside has been cleared. The mesh geometry is slightly different, you'll notice. Okay, so it has these little hooks in it. which the original mesh geometry doesn't have. You can see this over here. When I look at it from the bottom, we still have a little bit of material. We can cut it with a cutting tool, but I wouldn't really bother, because after it's been printed, you can break it off or cut it out manually. So this was quite a complicated case, but we always aimed to look for solutions for any issues that arise.